They fear fire. But what they fear more is man. And this time, man didn't miss.
Gunshot wound, no exit hole. We'll extract on site.
I'll prep the IV kit and disinfect it.
Terrain's rough. I'll handle navigation.
There's no screaming, no roaring, just quiet suffering.
No shattered bone. We were lucky.
Vitals are steady. He's fighting.
They don't know our names, but they can feel our care.
Muscle control is returning.
He'll be ready by afternoon. Let's get some food nearby. Hands off.
We didn't save a wolf. We saved what it means to be wild.
The pain we didn't cause, we chose to heal. That's enough.